electricity is the best source available today that can go on to replace LPG as the primary fuel in the days to come. An induction cooktop uses an electromagnetic field to heat a pan while leaving the cooking surface cool to the touch, and without heating the kitchen. So if you're looking for one, then we can help you with some of the best in the business. Check out our new video to get more details on the latest products on the market. The Cuisinart ICT-60 features 2 burners with induction technology for fastest heat up, while using up to 70% less energy than conventional cooktops. Each burner has its heat setting control, 150-minute timer, and on/off switch. Also, the smooth glass surface looks sleek and wipes clean, and it's ideal for entertaining and holidays when cooking for a crowd. Besides, its compact and portable size makes it suitable for small spaces without a kitchen, such as dorm rooms, boats, patios, or RVs. Moreover, the dual heat settings come with 8 settings on the left burner, 5 settings on the right burner. It has a 150-minute timer, ideal for cooking low and slow, and a bright LED display which shows the heat level. On the other hand, the smooth black glass plate that covers the burners is sleek and wipes clean in a snap. The Roseville Induction Cooker 1800 comes with its magnetic property. Your cookware heats up faster, thus saving you time, energy, and money. It also features a beautifully polished crystal plate surface, 1800 watts of power, and heats up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Besides, it provides 8 power levels from 300 to 1800 and polished crystal plate surface. Moreover, it can be programmed for up to 3 hours, so it's ideal for slow-cooked recipes. Another advantage is that it features overheating protection so that the unit automatically shuts off in the event of no cooking being detected after a certain amount of time. On the other hand, the unit will support a weight of up to 17.6 pounds. The MyCook stainless steel 3500 watt electric induction cooktop has a digital display with push-button controls. It comfortably holds our 18-inch pots, and you will still have easy access to the controls. Also, it has a temperature sensor and temperature switches double protection to better protect the operation of IGBT and fault self-diagnosis function. Besides, it comes with an energy-saving and high-efficiency international patent dual induction coil, heating strong and uniform big heating zone. Moreover, with simple and intuitive controls and power maximizing technology, you will cook with gourmet results with speed previously unattainable. Another advantage is that after you finish cooking, you can press the on-off button to make the cooktop transfer standby state. The MaxBurner 6400 is a portable 120-volt 1800-watt induction that uses digital and straightforward touchpad controls to select all operations. It features several cook settings for flexibility depending on how the user likes to cook. Also, it has the latest in digital cooking technology with built-in controls that will take you right to a boil or simmer with one touch. Besides, the timer allows you to program a setting to run up to 180 minutes, and after time is expired, the cooktop will automatically shut down. Moreover, it will automatically shut down on a short circuit, over voltage, or overheating, and has 10 heat mode settings. On the other hand, it provides 15 temperature mode settings in 25-degree increments and has a 180-minute programmable timer. In at first place among the list of best induction cooktops, we have the NewWave 30242. It offers precise temperature control with the simple press of a button. You can adjust the cooking temperature in 10-degree increments between 100 degrees Fahrenheit and 575 degrees Fahrenheit for a total of 52 precise temperature settings. Also, it utilizes 1500 watts of power. The lightweight and portable PIC allows you to cook gourmet meals virtually anywhere. Besides, it even offers state-of-the-art programming technology with 100 hours of memory that allows you to program your favorite cooking procedures. Moreover, it has 6 pre-programmed temperature settings and it provides 100 hours max programmable time. Thanks for watching. Take a moment to hit the like button and share this video. To get notified on all our new video uploads in the future, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.